Okay, how do we get Adobe subscription plan in Maldives or in any country that Adobe does not allow direct purchase of Adobe plans? The simple answer is you have to change the country in the payment page. But let's take a look at that step by step. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and type here no, I'm just kidding. Adobe plans, and then click the first link and it will take you to this page. Select a plan. The student teacher plan is significantly cheaper than the individual plan, but if you are going with the student teacher plan, you have to enter the details of your school and graduation year and all that.
What?
So let's click buy now. I'm gonna select monthly and hit continue, and then it's gonna offer you some add-ons which I personally don't need, so no thanks. Then you have to enter your email and continue. So I'm just gonna enter my password, click continue, and then it's gonna take you to the payment page. Here I'm gonna select credit card. I did try to use PayPal before, but it didn't allow me to make the purchase for some reason. I don't remember the reason exactly. It was a long time ago. Anyways, you can now enter your credit card details. Remember to select United States as your country and enter a zip code of a city like Sarasota or something. Okay, now I have entered everything and I'm gonna click continue to verification. Now it's gonna ask you your education status and everything. Okay, now I'm gonna agree and subscribe. Okay, now we have successfully subscribed to the Adobe subscription plan. So let's get started. Now it's gonna tell me to download the apps. So I'm just gonna try and download maybe Photoshop. It's gonna download the installer, which is the Creative Cloud installer. Continue. Start installing. It's gonna take a while to install a Creative Cloud. I'm gonna just skip these questions. Okay, now it's gonna take you to Adobe Creative Cloud. Let's minimize this and let's click done, and we can go to the apps and it will download and install Photoshop software that I just clicked. And you can just download any software that you want. Okay, Adobe Photoshop is now installed. Let's take a look. Let's see, new file, create. Perfect. With that, I'll end the video today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.
Tasted freedom, soon those hellish skies turn to blue and starry nights as our voices start to rise. We're ending an apartheid.